This is going to be layered with everything that I'm wearing this week. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Keisha. Over here, we mostly talk about fragrance, family, lifestyle, sugar and spice, and everything that smells nice. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please hit that subscribe button. It is my birthday this
Happy birthday to you! Cha cha cha!
So I should have done this at the beginning of the month, but I'm gonna just do it for the last little bit. So I'm gonna be talking about what's in my perfume tray for my birthday week. Okay, Pisces gang. First, so up we have By the Fireplace. Mason Margiela replica. So this is new to my collection. I know it's not a new fragrance, but it's new to me. And it is so, not so, but it's a little bit different from the scent profiles I usually gravitate towards. I told my friend that I had went and picked it up, and she was like, oh, you don't strike me as a warm and spicy type. I'm like, girl, like, I'm trying to diversify. So I'm switching it up. It wasn't a blind buy. When things are a little bit out of my scent profile, I make sure I test it and see if it's going to work well with me. So I did go out to Sephora and I tested it. Plus, all the reviews online were mostly saying great positive things about it. So I really want to give this as many wears as I'm just going to wear it a lot this week. Play with it, see how it reacts to my body and chemistry throughout the week. I mean, I did love it when I bought it. Like, I am not going to buy something if I don't love it. And it smells so good. It's smoky. It has a hint of vanilla. It's spicy. So this will, if you smell me this week, you won't be smelling this. Perfume tray this week for my birthday week is, if you know, you know, Vanilla Woods, Seven Virtues. Don't need to say anything else about it. I love it. It is the season for vanilla. Because next up we have Kayali Vanilla 28, and please believe this is going to be layered with everything that I'm wearing this week. Everything. This is honestly, I don't know where the cover went, but this is probably my most worn fragrance. I just got her like a couple weeks ago too. But I don't know how I lived without her so long. Like, she is stunning, intoxicating, seductive. So yeah, pretty much I layer her with almost everything. So this is definitely going to be layered with the two I just mentioned. Also, my good Pisces Riri. It's her birthday, I think, in 2 days. I know we have similar birthdays. Like, our birthdays are close. She's also a February Pisces. I told you, we're just the best. So this is going to be getting worn out a lot this week. And that is Fenty Eau de Parfum. I did a whole review on it. I'm not going to get into the details. This is going to just be a quick video. I'm not going to get into the details of all the notes. But it's musky floral. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good with Cali Vanilla 28. I think it's a Turkish rose that's in this. I can't remember. Oh no, it's Bulgarian rose that's in this. And then there's blueberry. I don't really smell the blueberry. I think there's patchouli in it. There is. What else is in it? Tangerine. Now, it smells so good. I'm gonna be forever a warm vanilla sugar kind of girl. So this is gonna be in my birthday week for sure. I'm gonna try to move away from the vanillas though. I'm gonna mix it up a bit this week. I'm also gonna be rocking some Burberry Her. And just to lighten things up, keep it a little bit fruity, a little bit juicy, but still sweet. Because the last couple fragrances were pretty heavy in the vanilla. So let me switch it up a bit with some Burberry Her. I don't want to be smelling like the same thing every day. And also then we got 1,000 Wishes from Bath and Body Works. Keep it light, keep it fruity, keep it sweet. And I love the body mist. I wear it to bed. I just feel so pretty and sexy with it. It's just the sparkling one. That is my perfume tray for my birthday week. And I know you're thinking, that's a lot of fragrances. You're going to wear them all in the same week? And yeah, I am. I switch my fragrances at least like twice a day. You know, I'll do a spray in the morning. I'll go to the gym. I'll shower. I'll change my fragrance again. And then I will shower again before I go to bed. And I'll wear another fragrance. So yeah, I am going to be wearing all of those throughout the week. So if you smell me and I smell like one of those, yeah, I wasn't joking. Now, I don't feel like I have a signature scent, but at the moment I have a signature scent profile, and it really includes vanilla. So I'm like, okay, let me switch it up a bit and include the Burberry Her and the Thousand Wishes just to switch it up. But it's it's the season for vanilla because it's cold right now. And vanilla just warms you up. But anyway, so that is my birthday week perfume tray. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share. And let me know what your scent of the day is or what is in your perfume tray for the rest of February. Thanks for watching. Stay beautiful. Bye.